You must remember our visit to the weather station. We saw a variety of instruments there. We also saw a weather balloon and some instruments that it carries up into the atmosphere to measure different components of weather. One of these instruments was the barometer. A barometer is an instrument that measures atmospheric pressure. You already know that air has weight. We can even prove this fact with this simple experiment. Take a cycle tire valve and fit it into the cap of a plastic bottle. Close the cap tightly. Pump as much air as you can into the bottle. Now, place the bottle on the weighing scale. Keep watching the weight and release the valve. The air escapes and the weight reduces. This simple experiment proves that air has weight. It is because of its weight that air exerts pressure. The Earth's atmosphere surrounds us and extends several kilometers above us. You can think of it as if we are standing at the bottom of a vast ocean of air. This air exerts pressure on each and everything on the Earth. This is known as atmospheric pressure. It is very important to know the atmospheric pressure at a place to be able to predict the weather and climate there. Will it rain or not? How fast will the wind blow? All such aspects of weather are influenced by atmospheric pressure. The barometer installed at the weather station measures pressure and gives accurate readings. The barometer carried by the weather balloon is an important instrument. It measures the pressure at different altitudes and sends this information to the weather scientists to prepare their reports and forecasts. Today, let's make a working model of a barometer. Our barometer will not give us precise readings like the one in the weather station, but it will definitely indicate changes in pressure. These are the things we need: a glass bottle, a balloon, a straw, a rubber band, a needle or pin, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and adhesive tape. First, we cut the mouth of the balloon like this and then stretch it across the mouth of the bottle. Fix it tightly with the help of a rubber band. Take the straw and fix the needle or pin to one end like this. This is the pointer. Attach it to the middle of the balloon stretched on the bottle. The needle should jut out from the bottle like this. Let's prepare the chart to record the readings. We have stuck a ruler to a cardboard box. You may simply draw lines on the paper. Our simple homemade barometer is now ready. We have stuck a sheet of paper to the wall. We place our barometer like this so that the needle is close to the paper. We begin by marking the level at which the needle is. This indicates the air pressure at this time. After a few hours, can you see that the needle has come down? How is this related to the air pressure? The basic science of this homemade barometer is simple. There is air inside the bottle. This air stays at a constant pressure under the balloon. But due to changes in temperature, the air pressure around the bottle keeps changing. At times it is higher, at times lower. When atmospheric pressure is higher, the weight of air on the balloon stretched on the mouth of the bottle increases. This pushes the balloon inside. Due to this, the straw goes down and the needle goes up. Having understood the science behind the homemade barometer, you must have figured out the meaning of the needle coming down. Absolutely correct. When the air pressure around the bottle is lower, the weight of air on the balloon decreased. The amount of air in the bottle is the same as before. So, due to lower air pressure outside, the air inside the bottle expands to occupy more space. This pushes the balloon up and the needle comes down. The movement of the needle tells us that the air pressure is changing. We see that when the atmospheric pressure is lower, the needle comes down. When the atmospheric pressure is higher, the needle goes up. So, pay attention to the changes in pressure as the weather changes. You will see that air pressure keeps changing with changing weather conditions. It even keeps changing through the day. Time for your task. Make a barometer yourself. Experiment with it. Mark the position of the needle 3 to 4 times through the day. Think about your observations. Discuss them. If possible, make a video of your experiment and thoughts and share it with us.